Hi, in today's video we are going to be doing simple stretches that you can do as soon as you wake up right on your bed. आज का सेशन में हम ऐसा सरल अभ्यास करेंगे जो आप सुबह उठते हुए तुरंत बेड के ऊपर लेटे लेटे कर सकते हैं. This will help you to release all the stiffness that has been accumulated in your body throughout the night and make you feel energetic and get you back jumping on your feet for an energetic day. Before we begin with the practice, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because your subscription makes a lot of difference to me. And this is a practice which anybody of any age group, right from children to senior citizens, can do. ये अभ्यास है बच्चे से लेके सीनियर्स तक सब आराम से कर सकते हैं. All right, let's begin. Comfortably lie down on your back. Now first thing is interlock your fingers and stretch your hands above the head, away from the body, and stretch your foot forward. दोनों हाथ को जोड़ के सिर के ऊपर लेके जाएं और पूरा शरीर को खींचिए, पाँव को आगे स्ट्रेच करिए. Now pull your feet in and continue stretching. Now you'll notice your lower back is lifting up. Now gently push your lower back down and press your hands down. And let go, relax, Vishram. Now gently bend both your knees and slowly lift your hips up. धीरे धीरे कमर को ऊपर उठाएं. Stay here now. Slowly sway your hips left and right. हल्का सा कमर को दाएं बाएं हिलाएं. Releases all the tension from your lower back. And let go, relax. Stretch your legs out or shake your legs a little bit. Shake your hands. And relax. Now bend both your knees. Place your right leg over the left knee. दाएं पैर को बाएं घुटनों के ऊपर रखिए. Now gently you may stretch your hands to the sides and slowly start rocking the legs left and right, and look to your opposite side as you do this. Do it as much as you can and slowly come back to the center. Now change the leg and once again rock your legs left and right and look to your opposite side. विपरीत पैर के साथ करिए दूसरा साइड and come back to the center. ऊपर सेंटर में आ जाएं. Now place your right foot over the left knee and pull your right knee all the way to the left side. Look to your right side. And come back to the center. Now to the other side. Feel a nice stretch in your lower back. And let go, come back to the center. Now we'll do the lying down Kapotasana, the pigeon pose. Bend both your knees. Once again, place your right leg over the left knee and lift the left leg up and hold the left leg from over the shin bone or behind the hamstrings, thighs, and pull the leg in. दाएं पैर को बाएं घुटनों के ऊपर रखिए और बाएं पैर को अंदर खींचिए. And let go. Now change the leg. Feel a nice stretch. You know, your hip joints hold a lot of tension, stress because of lying down for long hours in the same position. And gently let go. Now you may slowly lift the legs up a little bit and hold the legs from behind the thighs. Stay here, keep breathing. And bring the legs down. Now let's do the Pavan Muktasana. Wrap your arms around your thighs and pull the thighs in. And gently relax your hands, relax your legs. Now let's bring the soles of the feet together and gently push your legs with the hands. दोनों पाँव को साथ साथ जोड़िए और हल्का सा पैर को नीचे दबाएं. And let go, relax. Just 2 more stretches. Now you may slowly roll over to the left side. You can keep the pillow under your armpit and keep lying down here for a while. Now bend your right knee. Now place your right arm behind the right knee and pull the right leg in towards your shoulders, right shoulders. And let go. Now gently come on the tummy and let's do the Sphinx pose. Forearms down on the bed and slowly lift yourself up. And relax. Now let's turn to the other side. Now once again bend your left knee, put your left arm behind the left knee and pull the left leg in towards the left shoulder. And slowly and gently roll back to the center. One last stretch, the happy baby pose. Bend both your knees, hold your toes with both the hands, take the legs away from each other and pull the knees down. And gently rock the body left and right. Remember, this is just a gentle practice to release the stiffness from the body. And come back to the center. One more time, let's stretch the whole body, interlock the fingers. Stretch your hands away, stretch your toes away. Keep breathing. पूरा शरीर को स्ट्रेच करिए और विश्राम. Keep lying down. Let's take 5 deep breaths in and out before we get out of the bed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in, out. 3 more breaths on your own. लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर बाहर. And slowly and gently, you may relax. Now you may roll over to the right side, but here I am on the left side. How are you feeling? Your body is feeling nicely relaxed and stretched? Yes. Let me know in the comment section. Comment section में लिखे बताएं ये stretches कैसे लगा. And do like this video and share this with your friends and family members. Let everybody get the benefit of simple yoga practice. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe. इस वीडियो को आप फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ शेयर करिए, उनको भी ये लाभ मिले योग आसन से. And I also teach daily Shrish Yoga online on YouTube. You can join those classes and improve your health greatly. I've given the link for that below in the description.